Welcome back. In this section, we are going to see how to run Apache Zeppelin on Docker desktop. So the first step is we need to have a Docker desktop installed on our Windows machine, at least 8 GB of RAM. And first thing we will start Docker desktop. So I will click on home screen, Docker desktop, open it. Our Docker desktop will get open and we will pull the latest image of Apache Zeppelin, which is 0.12.0, which is the latest version available till now. So let's wait till my Docker desktop gets open. So Docker desktop, the second thing we will do is to pull the image, Docker image. That is, we will be pulling the latest Docker image. So here you can see my Docker desktop is up and running. So what I will do is I'll click on terminal and I will execute a command called docker pull. So here you can see our image is already downloaded. Here you can see Apache Zeppelin 0.12. So that's the reason our Apache Zeppelin is downloaded. In order to save time in recording, I have already downloaded in my local system. Else it will take time to get downloaded. Second step will be docker run -d-p, port number which is 8080, name of the container will be Zeppelin. So here you can see in containers a Zeppelin name container is up and running. So this is how we run Apache Zeppelin. And here you can see localhost Zeppelin is up and running. We will go to Spark tutorial, PySpark, Scala, and this is how we open the notebook. If we want to stop Apache Zeppelin, we'll just click on stop over here. Here there is a button in the container section to stop it. So just click on stop. Our Apache Zeppelin has been stopped. Here you can see Apache Zeppelin is not working. So just if we start it again, it will be up and it will be running. So here you need to check the logs. Here you can see Apache Zeppelin is getting started. So now let's refresh it. Here you can see this is the way to start and stop Zeppelin in Apache in Docker desktop. This is the way to start Apache Zeppelin in Docker desktop using the Windows machine. So that's all for this lecture. See you in the next video.